Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we review how to activate the live transcript feature. We can start a live transcript without needing to record the meeting. However, if we do decide to record the meeting, a live transcript will automatically be started and made available. Let's get started. In a Teams meeting, click on More in the upper right. Select Record and Transcribe in the menu that appears. Then select Start Transcription. A pop-up will appear asking us to choose which language to transcribe the meeting into. The default is English US. Click on Confirm in the lower right. Now, when we or another participant starts talking, we can see the transcript in the right sidebar of Teams. The transcript will be made available after we have left the meeting. To download the transcript after the meeting, click on Chat in the left sidebar. Find the meeting in the list. Find the transcript in the chat history. Click on the three dots to the right of the transcript. Select Download as .docx to download the transcript as a Microsoft Word file. Note that the transcript may not be 100% accurate. We will likely need to edit the transcript before sharing it. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.